Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can remove the default clothing in Roblox. It's super easy, so let's get started. Go to the website of roblox.com and log into your account, and then click on these three lines and then click on avatar, the left menu. Since this is a new account, you will see the default location, default clothing on your character. Click on recent tab and recently added, and then unselect the clothing items you want to remove. This, 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 and if I want to remove this as well. So now after this, change the skin tone. Go to head and body, click on skin tone, and then scroll down and click on white. As this will change your whole body to white. Then click on advanced. Here you can pick any color. For example, if you choose white, your whole avatar changes to their skin tone. If you want more control, click on advanced and then select different colors for each body part. Once done, press on, click on this and then press on done. This will change your whole body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.